What's up, everybody, and welcome back to our epic series. Today we are solely focused on Super Nintendo World, Mario Land. This place is absolutely breathtaking. The second you walk in, it opens it up to a complete immersion experience. I love that. I'm a big fan of Nintendo, Mario, and Luigi and Bowser. There's a lot of things to do. Let's go check it out. The moment you step through that warp pipe, it's like you're being transported directly into your childhood dreams. The music hits, the colors explode, and then suddenly you're directly inside of a living video game. Everywhere you look, there's movement. Spinning coins, there's Goombas marching along, there's piranha plants snapping. It's loud, it's vibrant, it's completely insane. And honestly, the first feeling is just pure awe. Your brain can barely process what you're looking at because it's not just themed, it like feels real. You can't help but smile, and you instantly know that you've officially leveled up in Super Nintendo World. Before we get into anything else, I want to talk about my favorite thing about this land, the power-up band. This band is what brings this land to life. It tracks everything that you accomplish here in Super Nintendo World. You get to pick the band to join the team that you want. I chose Yoshi because he's adorable. Then once you get the band, you can begin working all the quests that this land has to offer. You can collect stickers for doing tasks, completing quests, or venturing into new areas. One of the main objectives is completing the key quests. There are 5 keys around this land, and once you get 3 of them, you get the chance to enter and defeat Bowser Jr. in his castle to obtain the golden mushroom.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
nice.
Great job, dude.
Nice.
Great job.
I appreciate it. Yeah, all right. Let's get it. All right.
Get that clean.
That's number 3, baby.
Don't defeat Bowser.
Bang. Let's go.
To your left, okay?
Awesome. I appreciate it.
No worries, man. Best of luck, you're up.
I'm sorry. Let's go. That's not all there is to do, however. In Donkey Kong Country, the adventure continues with the Kong collection, sticker editions, and even bongo playing. It's so much fun, it's so interactive. I love how it tracks not only your current visit, but also your lifetime achievements. I think this is so much fun. Let me know in the comments if you've been on the scoreboard yet. One of the many places to eat here in Super Nintendo World is the Toadstool Cafe, and it's got such a cool vibe. So it's about lunchtime for us. We are starving because today has been from sun up to sundown, just immersion, and you just work up an appetite. So let's go get some food at Toadstool Cafe. One thing to note for the sit-down dining here in Epic Universe is that it is all table served. So you sit down, you scan a QR code that's at your table, you place your order, and they bring it directly out to you. I love this. If you're still doing quick service, you can walk up, place your order, get your order, and go. But this is open seating. You walk up, you wait in line, you find a seat, you sit down, you place your order, they bring it out to you. It's excellent, super quick, super easy, and all of the team members have been excellent. Very, very nice. So I think it's a great addition. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Well, Toadstool Cafe was absolutely excellent. So much fun. All the food was delicious. The cheeseburgers was excellent. The little stuffed garlic knots, the Toadstool garlic knots, oh my God, delicious. The whole vibe is super fun. Bowser comes through and they have some dramatic music playing, lights dim. It's just so incredibly fun. All the food and the theming, loved it, highly recommend. While here in Super Nintendo World, it is absolutely
chaotic here, but I love it. It's chaotic in the best way. There are 3 attractions here. You have Mario Kart, Bowser's Challenge, Yoshi's Adventure, and of course, the Donkey Kong Minecart Madness. The Bowser's Challenge is like a VR experience, and it is unbelievable. It's unlike anything we've ever ridden before, and I can't leave this land without riding it. I'll wait however long it takes. Yoshi's Adventure is a little slower. It's just, you hop on and you search for Yoshi's egg and you get to find the golden egg. I think that's so fun. It's just really immersive. And then of course, Donkey Kong's Minecart Madness is the roller coaster where you're just riding through, and it's like riding through a temple. I love it. It's excellent. You have 4 different dining options here, and they're all incredibly themed. You have 3 different shopping options, and everything that's in there is just so fun. I love this land so much. And then of course, you have 4 different meet and greets. You can meet Mario and Luigi, you can meet Princess Peach, you can meet Donkey Kong, and you can meet Toad. And they are all so fun. It just happens in such close proximity. The land is fairly small, so everything is a pretty quick ride, but it's so much fun. In my opinion, Super Nintendo World has been specifically designed to see at night. All of the motion, all the lights, all the fun little things, they're all made better by the night. Like I said, this land was meant to be seen at night. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive. And we'll see you somewhere.